Hey Ari, do you want to show everyone how you can sit independently? Hold on, just a second. There she is, sitting. Sit. Show everyone. Sitting independently. And then, while she's sitting independently, she likes to play with her drums. Woo! She can usually do it longer than that. Are you sitting independently? I can sit all by herself. All by herself. Alright. Alright, baby.